Hello guys, welcome to another video of Advanced Excel series for visually impaired. This is a special series created by V.I Tech Academy for those who are interested to learn Advanced Excel. We have already made more than 25 videos and we have added all the videos in a special playlist. Please check that playlist to learn Excel from basics to advanced. For your help, we have attached the link in the pinned comment. In this tutorial, we are going to see 5 interesting formulas related to math. Yes, we will play with numbers and we will learn small 5 formulas that will help you a lot. So without further delay, let's see what are they. So I have already opened one Excel sheet and here I have written a number
C1 B1 23.121.
23.1. Now we will see the round of this number. Sometimes we require to get this. So to get this, as this is a float number, we need to convert it into an integer number. Integer means round number, not integer, round number. Okay.
B1.
So in B1 we will type the formula.
Edit blank.
So let's activate the cell by using F2 and type the formula. The formula is round, function is round
Equals R-O-U-N-D.
left parent right parent.
Round left pair right parent.
First
round,
value is
parameter
that
number
cell. Okay, so parameter number, which means the cell. So the cell is A1.
A1.
Then comma.
1 comma round parameter num digits required.
Then what is how many digits we want after 0? So sorry, after point. So how many digits? We need 0 digits. So that's why we put 0 here.
0.
And then press enter and see.
Sheet 1 take 23 as formula
23.
P1.
Why 23? As we know that if after point, if there is 5, more than 5, 5, so we will increase 1. Like if it's 23.5, it will be 24. The round will be 24. If it will be 23.4, the round will be 23. As we have
23.121.
23.1, so the round is
23 as formula
23.
P1.
So now just change it.
20 2 blank 1 blank 1 dot 1 blank
23.6.
6. Sheet
And now see.
23.6 24 as formula P1.
24. So it is automatically changing. So this is how you can use round formula. Next, round up. So what round up does? Round up will round up the number even there is 1 after points. It will not check whether 5 or not. Okay. So let's see how to do that.
20 edit equals round.
So let me just
equals R-O-U-N-D.
round
left parent.
then up. Okay. UP. Round up.
UP.
And then press enter.
Sheet 1
The same formula.
24 as formula.
Round up left parent, cell number or the number, comma, how many digits you want after 0. Okay, so see
23.61.
23.6. Just I want to change this.
Edit blank
23.3
3.
and I'm pressing enter.
Sheet 1 take 23.31.
And see
24 as formula
still
P1.
it's 24 because this is the use of round up. So whenever we did round, it will still 23, but when we do the same but using a round up, it will be 24. So this is our second formula. If you are still watching this video, like the video and share the video. Now we'll discuss the next formula. Next is round down. So what this formula does, even if there is 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, after point there is a 5, 6, 7. So we will not increase. The number will not be increased. So see
20 equals R-O-U-N-D-U-P left pair U.
just I change round up, round down,
D-O-N.
and rest formula is same.
Sheet 1 take 23 as formula
23.
P1.
Still see
23.3.
23.3, 23.
20 edit blank 3 blank.
I replace the 3 with 8.
8.
23.8. So see
Sheet 23.81. 23 as formula
still
P1.
it's 23 because I have applied a round down. If I did round, then it will be 24. If I did round up, it will be still 24. But as we applied round down, so it is still 23. Next, number 4. Now we want to generate random number. How to generate random number using rand function?
C1
So I'm in the C1. Let's type
edit land equals
rand left parent right parent.
RAND rand left right parent.
Now I'm pressing enter.
Sheet 1 takes 0.995137 as formula C1.
So now I'm just copying and pasting the same formula in the same cell, and you can understand the changes.
No paste add content sheet C 0.664026 as formula C1.
Okay, 0.446 something.
Copy C paste no paste add content sheet C2 0.29767 as formula. Paste grouping 1 of 3 sheet 1 table 0.
Now if I want to generate random numbers, but I want to do some specific values, okay, some specific values, let's suppose from 10 to 20 or from 20 to 50 or from 10 to 100, then how we can generate? This is our function number 5 of today's tutorial. I will apply this formula on D1. So let's write this.
Edit land
equals rand between
RANDBETEEN.
Then left parent
Rand between right parent rand between parameter bottom required parameter top required.
So parameter bottom and parameter top. So bottom means the minimum number and top means the maximum number. Let's type minimum number 10
0
and comma
10 comma
and maximum number 100
top 1 0 0
and then press enter.
Sheet 1 table D2.
Now see some numbers generated.
93 as formula D1.
93. Now I'm just copying it,
copy
and paste it the same cell.
Paste sheet 1 D60 as formula D1.
60. So number is continuously changing. So this is how you can enter the random numbers between a specific range. These are 5 useful math functions in MS Excel, which is very easy to learn, but many people don't know. I hope you find this content useful. If so, press the like button and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to V.I Tech Academy for more Excel tutorials. Don't forget to let us know whether you already aware about these formulas or functions into the comment section. That's it guys for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye.